Ben, you and your mom stand there and do a cheesy like what me and you did.
Was it this?
Say cheese.
Cheese!
Okay. Ben, what are you doing?
This isn't a Zorn snack. Oh, Mom, that's the way the water goes. That's the way the water goes.
I know, I said it looked like tracks.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant you thought.
Oh, Ben, bend down again. Oh, the water is just shimmering. Okay.
Go.
Okay, you and your mom throw rocks now.
Better drop the other one. You alright? You clean your eyes? Oh yeah, go ahead and wipe it on me, sir.
Where's your magic?
What?
Where's your magic?
Me?
Yeah.
Fire?
Yeah?
Maybe I can get this
Try it, Beverly.
on.
Oh! 2 times. Woo!
Not very.
That's right.
Yeah. Oh, this looks like a heart, Ben. A little bit.
You better get that for Grandma Linda. She collects them.
Heart? Do you think it looks enough like a heart?
Yes, it does. Put it by your
It's a
chest.
little dirty right now.
Put it by your chest.
You know what? Nobody needs to emphasize that. How if I put it near my head?
Oh, is that pretty? Try to get. I can't get the 1982.
No, it really doesn't.
I'd be
Go out of,
18 now.
Up close or far away. It's just really good for catching moment. Like this.
Yep.
You can't throw it down. I'll get you another one to skip. I'll put this one in my pocket for Grandma Linda. Let's see. Where's the skipping rock? Do you know how to skip a rock, guys? Do you remember how to do it? How to move your arm to the side and throw it to the side so it goes. You know,
Not like.
the water? Yeah, not like that.
Not like Grandma Barb. Kerplunk. Boy, I wished I'd have had this from those hummingbirds because they were just right here. I don't even know if they would have shown up though.
The biggest flat in the universe.
Benjamin, I cannot believe you are 5 years old. Throw that rock. You can just see his muscles just ripple up.
Here you go, Ben. This is a really good skipping rock. See
Yep.
how flat it is? Show the camera. Very flat. Do I have to do this? Yeah. Yep. Just like that. Just like that. Curve it into your body, and then whoop. Curve it into your body, and go down close by the water, and then curve it back out like that. You did it! You did. Did you skip?
Yep. I don't know if we got it on film. Oh, come over here, you two. Stand right here. I can get this arch in here.
This one is, yeah, good.
That is so cool.
It's actually so hard to get the back end. You really want to get this rock out if you're going to get these pictures.
Okay.
Oh, you can
That's
skip
pretty
it in
cool.
water that, there's enough room past the rock. Here's it right here. So, into this piece of water. Now, crouch down. Put it into your body, and then you're going to flip it out. And just, yeah.
Woo!
Take one time.
Woo! Ooh!
You're gonna do like that.
Woo!
I'm not gonna throw it. I'm gonna just right in and fling it out. Yeah. Throw it into your body. Like that? Yep, and get close to the water. Yeah!
Yeah! Wow! You're gonna get really good before long.
Did you get that?
I think I had it here. And,
Did you get his face?
yeah, I think
That
so.
was great. He was one happy kid. Here we go. I'll find it. Right here. I'm pushing you. You know, I'm pushing you. This. Oh, we gotta get this camera.
All right, Ben, I'm gonna try to get
Wait,
that.
wait. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Oh, I see. It's right there. Just slip right out of your hand right there. And I've got an eye for this rock. I can find it. This is not a particularly good rock. In the rock, but I still can't find it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Curve your hand into your body. Sit like this. Like a crab. Now, point the rock towards your heart. Perfect. Now, wait a minute. I'm so tired of crouching down.
I don't blame you.
Ready? That's not a very happy face. But we went from crouching down like this. Alright, you ready to skip it then? Uh-huh. Alright, curl your hand into your body. Now? Now? Yeah. Yes.
I caught that one.
Just skip it.
Okay, do I turn it off right here on the side?
Stop recording with the red button.